In this sum, we are finding something different. What is the difference? I will teach you. 200, 209. Next class is 210, 219. Here we are finding the difference. This is 209, this is 210. The number has changed. In the previous sum it was what? If this was 209, then this was also 209. That is known as continuous. So this type of sum we have to first of all solve and make it into continuous class. And in making continuous class, we have to see what is the difference between 2009 and 209 and 210. What is the difference? 1. So we will divide 1 by 2. We have to divide 1 by 2. How will we come? Like this, 1 divided by 2. So 0.5. Okay, the answer is 0.5. Like this we have to do it. Now this 0.5, we have to, in each class, we have to, from the upper limit, we have to add this 0.5, and from the lower limit, we have to minus 0.5. Now, when we minus from 200.5, we get 199.5. When in 209 we add 0.5, we get 209.5. Here 210 we minus 0.5, we get 209.5, and when we add we get 290.5. So now you can see this has become continuous. Here it was 209, 210, but now it is 209.5, and this is also 209.5. This is 219.5, this is 219.5. So this is the extra step in this sum, which, have you understood? Here it is not continuous, we have to make one more column to make it continuous. Again this thing is given only 4, 14, 26, 10, 6 and n is equal to 60. How we have to find the median class? By dividing 60 by 2. We divide 60 by 2, then how much do we get? 30. Now where will this 30 lie? This is 18, this is 44. It means 30 will lie in this group. That is 219.5 to 29.5, this group. So this is now your median class. Everything we have to take from here. The same formula, lower limit 219.5, frequency 26, height 229 minus 219. How much will it come? 10, right? Minus 29, 19 गया, कितना बचा? 10 ना? तो simple it is 10. Height is 10. And how much is the cumulative frequency? Again, इसके ऊपर वाला जो cumulative frequency है, that we have to take. That becomes 18. Again, just put the formula L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into height. Put the values. First solve the bracket. After solving the bracket, do the multiplication. 12 upon 26 into 10. We divided by 2, we got 6, here we got 13. So 6 tens are 60 and upon 13. We will divide. After dividing, I got the answer 4.615. You have been taught already in junior classes that if we have to convert it into 2 decimals, then what we have to do? 4.6. We have to see the third number. If it is greater than 5 or 5, then we have to increase this number. It means that this is 5, so this 1 will be increased. We have to add 1. How much will it become? 2. If out here it was 4, then we won't have to change. The answer would have been 4.61. If it is out here 8, then also it will become 4.62. If it is 4, it will be 4.61. But after 4, as soon as we write 5, 6, then we have to add one number to the previous number. So your answer comes out here 4.62. So 219.5 plus 4.62. Then adding, please do the addition properly. Simple things I have to teach you again and again. 4.62. Add 2, 11, 14, 2, 2. So your answer is 224.12. Understood? Same thing, no difference between the first example and the second example, only one difference, that this is not continuous and we have to make it continuous. So only this one column is added more. Okay? Thank you.